Welcome to Dcspl Proddatur YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Scratch programming, which is mainly for targeted students or 8 years age to up to 16 years age students. We are focusing to train the coding for those kids. Coming to Scratch programming, which is very fun and interactive based learning environment. And today I'm going to discuss about introduction to Scratch programming. It seems to be like Visual Basic, but uh, this is especially for children to learn programming concepts in a fun and interactive way. Mainly, this Scratch programming is for children's, and also it can create animations, games, interactive stories, simulations, and many more. This can be done by dragging and dropping blocks of code rather than using traditional programming. Suppose if you take traditional programming, you should write the code by bunch of lines of code you need to write. But here it's not like that. You just drag and drop the code in this simple manner and fun manner, so that the children can easily learn the programming. So that this is the early age of coding, like coding you should have it. And then Scratch is free and available to use online, and also you can download from the Scratch website. There you can develop the applications, and also it is can be very friendly environment as well as intuitive interface for creating the applications. And if you want to give the life to your projects, so you can use the stage area, as well as if you want to write the code, you can use code in area. There you can just drag and drop the blocks of code. Then coming to, it's a visual representation of programming concepts such as sequence, loops, conditions, and events. All these, whatever the statement you are going to use, you just drag and drop on that can be used for one specific purpose. And also you can write the program to the sprites to move, to change the size, to play the sounds, and respond to user input using a wide range of blocks are available in the Scratch programming environment. And coming to this tool is not only learning, and it's also it's a very large online community where users can share their projects, collaborate with others, and get feedback on them and their work. And finally, it is this Scratch website consists of a library of user-created projects. Number of projects are available, and also tutorials are available. Forums are available. By using this, the users can improve their skills. And overall, Scratch programming is a fun and accessible way to for beginners to learn programming and also computer science concepts while creating their own interactive projects. In such a way, Scratch programming is used especially for kids, and children can easily learn the programming. Thank you for watching.